SAT at an organization could fill an entire reasons for and against. There are many benefits and limitations of using SAP. Reasons for and against implementing SAT at an organization could fill an entire course. That said, let's just review the top benefits and limitations. So why would a company spend so much time and money getting rid of their old systems and transition to SAP? First, SAP eliminates information silos and standardizes data across an entire company or multiple companies. For example, instead of having one system that handles all your company's vendors and a different system that handles all your company's inventory, all of this information is housed in SAP. As a result, SAP automates core processes. For example, is there a part that needs to be ordered every time your inventory reaches a certain threshold? Rules can be set up to automatically order the new parts from your preferred vendors when stocks hit a lower limit. Also, SAP ERP facilitates better decision making because all a business's processes are in one system. You can create powerful real-time reports that provide in-depth data. Having access to this information in real time allows decision makers to collaborate, solve problems, and recognize opportunities on the fly. Finally, SAP is known for prioritizing an organization's security and compliance. SAP Security Design feature allows for appropriate segregation of duties. It ensures only those who should be able to see sensitive information or make business decisions have the access to do so. It's also possible to customize SAP configuration settings with a company's policies, ensuring compliance across the system and with federal regulations. So, we talked about the benefits. Now let's have a look at the limitations of SAP. SAP is notorious for a very high total cost of ownership, or TCO. There are very high acquisition and implementation costs, paired with recurring maintenance costs. Implementing SAP has a definite ROI, but it may be further away than companies realize. Not only is it expensive, it can take years to implement SAP across an entire organization. SAP is highly configurable, and because every company is unique, customizing SAP to fit a business can result in unexpected multi-year implementations. Finally, the software itself can be really challenging at first. There's a steep learning curve that requires proper training for users to get up to speed. In companies where people have been doing their job a certain way for years, there can be huge resistance to change. These growing pains have to be addressed proactively with a robust training strategy to get users up to speed. In the next section, I'll introduce the ways to build a business case for SAP S/4HANA. The business case is a great tool for advocating and ensuring that an investment is justified in terms of the strategic direction of the organization and the benefits that it will deliver. Where it's